In last 7 days, Vechain price will very badly decrease now, minus 22.17%. The price will decrease now, but the very huge pump is coming soon. When and how, my friends, everything I will discuss now in this video. But kindly, if you are new my channel, first of all subscribe this channel for more this type informative videos. My brother, this time the Vechain price minus 22.17% decrease now, and as you can see here 0.155013 USD dollar. This is the highest price, and the current price is 0.11 USD dollar. So that's mean, my friend, there is not a big difference, my friend, but just in all the, my friends, they are one of the fastest cryptocurrency to they will move upward. So don't worry, my brother, if they were fails down for a short time, because, my friend, this a lot of experts, my friend, are supporting this coin. WeChat price is totally increasing if a holder are starting, my friend, investing more and more and stop selling. But a lot of holders are doing very huge mistake to their starting as start selling in those days. So I will recommend all of you, my brothers, to don't do this, otherwise we will completely lost. If you want to be safe from the loss, if you want to earn money in a crypto, you will need, my friends, to be support now. My brother, in those days there is a chance to the price will be increasing, because I will give you 100% guarantee, my friends, to the end of this month, the last 10 days of this month, I will give you 100% guarantee to the VeChain price will be increasing, the VeChain price will pumps up. So let's see, my brother, to what they do. But kindly, holder, if you are new my channel, now first of all subscribe this channel, and after that press the bell icon for videos notification.